Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our rental fixer-upper. This is part 2 and it's demo day. The first room that we tackled was this back room with the wood burning fireplace. This was the room that demanded most of the demo, so we wanted to start in here. That is my husband and my son-in-law. They're demoing all of that brick that was on the wall and on the floor. Now that the brick and the wood stove is out of the room, we can start making this the third bedroom. My husband is going to frame up a closet where the stove used to be, so that's what you'll see him doing here. To me, this is the most exciting part of the construction phase. You know, you've talked about it, you've written it down, you've planned for it, and watching him come and make this back room a third bedroom, it's really exciting to see it come to life. And here is the framed-in closet. The next thing we had to do was to close up this opening from that back room into this bedroom. So that is what my son-in-law is doing. He is framing up that opening so the sheetrockers can come and put up the drywall. Meanwhile, my husband had a little mishap with his phone. He went up in the attic and was using it as a flashlight and dropped it in the wall.
So much for the light. Yeah, I was sitting up there and it fell. I'm glad it didn't go all the way through the...
Let me see it.
Go underneath the house.
Let me see it.
You know, get there with the spiders. I do like spiders.
I'm sorry guys, I had to leave that in there. It is so funny and it is very true. He does not like spiders. Okay, back to the remodel. Here we had some water damage from that window leaking from rainstorms throughout the years. So we had to cut that whole area out and replace the insulation and also replace the joist and the, I think he called it the main beam portion of the house. And the floor was soft over here by the sliding back door, so he just went and replaced all of that so that any water damage that was existing would be repaired. And this is the laundry room, and what we needed to do in here was to pop up all of those floor tiles. So in order to do that, we needed to use a shovel and get up under them. You know, they've been glued on for many years, so it was a very physical, painstaking project to do. But we ended up getting all of those tiles pulled up off of that floor. And here's the garage, if you remember that from the house tour in our part 1 rental fixer-upper. If you haven't seen that video, I will go on and link that below so that you can watch that one. We recruited our son to start cleaning out the garage for us while we were in the house doing other projects. And it's just wonderful that our whole family and some friends came over and helped us getting this house ready to be put on the market. And we're just so grateful for all the volunteer help that we had getting this house ready. It really means a lot to us. Okay guys, that's all that I have for today for our demo day for the rental fixer-upper. I wanted to thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. And if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and also for the final reveal of our rental fixer-upper. Have a fantastic day, and until the next one, bye-bye.